What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about disabling browser notifications with Microsoft Intune. So let's get right into it. All right, so disabling browser notifications within Intune is pretty simple with a policy, but for what I have seen, it only focuses on Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. I haven't seen any type of settings for Firefox. There's a good chance we might have to import a ADMX template into the tenant to actually disable notifications for that particular browser. So I'm going to show you guys how to create the policy. And again, we're only going to tackle Chrome and Microsoft Edge, which I don't think a lot of people are using Microsoft Edge, but you know what? I'm going to show you guys anyway. So first thing that we need to do is log into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And on the left-hand side, we're going to click on Show All. We're going to locate and click on Microsoft Intune. Go for it. You see it. I see it. Click on it. Click on it. All right. Okay, good. We're there. So on the left-hand side, click on Devices. And within Devices, we are going to go underneath Manage Devices and click on Configuration. Awesome. We're going to click on Create. And you're going to get a small little drop down with two options. We're going to select and click on New Policy. You're going to get a side menu. And on that side menu where it says Platform, we're going to click on the drop down and we're going to select Windows 10 and later. For the profile type, we're going to click on the drop down and we're going to select Settings Catalog. And at the very bottom, let's click on Create. Now, provide a name and also a description. And like I stated before, we're only going to disable Chrome and Microsoft Edge because apparently that's the only settings that, Microsoft has. There's a good chance, like I said earlier, that we might have to import an ADMX template for Firefox to disable the notifications. If that's the case, I might have to do a little bit of research and push out a separate video for you guys. So once you do everything here, we're going to click on Next. For the configuration settings, where it says Add Settings, that is a hyperlink. So click on it. Go for it. Click. Yeah, there we go. For your settings picker, we're going to search for the following: default notification settings. Hit enter or hit the search button, and you're going to get two options. See? There's no Firefox, there's no Brave, there's no Safari, just for Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So we're going to select Chrome first. As soon as you select Chrome, at the very bottom, you're going to get multiple options. And I'm going to check off default notification settings. That's it. Let's head back. Let's click on Microsoft Edge. And again, as soon as you click on Edge, you're going to get additional settings at the bottom. And we're going to select default notification settings. Now, for some reason, Microsoft did not give us an OK at the bottom. It's just blank. So at the upper right-hand side, we got to locate that X and we're going to click on it to close the side menu. So click on it. Goes away. Now, on the configuration settings, we have the settings that we clicked on the side menu and we need to configure them. So let's start with Chrome first. So we're going to slide the disabled toggle to your right to enable it. You're going to get a drop down. We're going to click on the drop down, and this is all the settings that you have. Now, we want to disable it. So we're going to pick Do Not Allow Any Site to Show Desktop Notifications. So click on it. Boom. So Chrome is all set. Let's do the same thing with Edge. The toggle, slide it to your right to enable it. On the drop down, click on it, and we're going to choose Don't Allow Any Site to Show Desktop Notifications because that is what we want. Awesome. Click on it. Now let's click on Next. Now for tags, I typically don't set any tags, but for some reason, Microsoft created a tag for me and they called it default. And that is what this profile is going to have, a default tag. If you have one, set it here and then click on Next. Go for it. Click on Next. Now, assignments. We are going to click on Add Groups. I'm going to pick my group. That's the group that I want. I'm going to click on Select, and at the bottom, let's click on Next. A nice little review, and let's click on Create. On the upper right-hand side, you're going to see policy created successfully. Beautiful. Give it some time or refresh the page. You're going to see the new policy. Awesome. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.